Hi everyone, Jacqueline here. So today I'm at Home Depot checking out the plants to see what they have. Rob is looking for something altogether different, but I thought I'd show you some of the plants are on sale. And there's a reason they're on sale because they are looking dreadful, especially the little trees behind me here. You can see them right here. They're on for $7.50 and that. You'd have to really go through them to find something that's not brittle. But let's have a look and we'll start there, and then we're going to check out the other plants because they have a lot of plants in, and some really nice varieties once we get into the fresher plants that have come in recently. So these were the Christmas trees that were regular $14.98 on for $7.50. And then they have the succulents down here in the arrangements for $15. You can see some of them not looking the best. And these, some of them are very crisp. Hey, you can see like, some of the leaves are breaking off. So you have to really go through them. And they have more up here. They were cute at the time, but even a good soaking of water is not gonna save these. And these ones right here look better than this right here, which is totally dried out. So you can see once the season's over, they just kind of quit watering them. Let's go around here and see what else we have. So we have the Christmas trees right here. And you can see they're dropping their leaves. And then over here, we can see through here, there. And I'm just gonna move this cart out of the way so you can get a better look. Keep an eye on my purse. But these are now $10. So if you go through them, you might find something worth saving. And they're called a snowy woodland holiday. But you really have to go through them. I mean, look at the stems here. You can see how dried out they are. These are the lemon cypress. I mean, there's no return for those. They aren't gonna come back. Maybe the container's worth $7.50 or the coffee mug. But other than that, that's kind of where things are at for the remainder of their Christmas plants, which I think is so interesting. So go through them if you're interested and check it out. Personally, I think $10 is still too high for these considering they're pretty much dead. But let's go on and look at what else they have. Amaryllis. So you can see they lowered the price on them down to $3 and $5.50 here. But they still have lots of paper whites for $5.50 if you want to carry them over into the new year. And some in the packages that haven't bloomed. I will tell you from my experience of growing these, they were super smelly. I did not like them in the house. So just a heads up on that. They belong out in the garden if you don't like smells. This is where I start feeling like it's spring, Valentine's, a February time frame, even though it's like January 3rd. But you can see here all the glorious colors. The Kalinkois are at their best right now. We're looking at $5.98 for these. All of them, including the violets, which look at the beautiful colors they have in the violets. They're in good condition. Now would be the time to buy some African violets. Just wrap it up good for transportation. They have 2 racks here of the violets. And then 2 racks of the Kalinkois. These ones, a lot of them are already in bloom. Some of them are coming into bloom. But down here you can see a lot of the pink here have not bloomed yet. So these would be perfect to purchase right now for decoration. A little bit of orange in the background, a lot of white with a chartreuse green tone. I think they're beautiful, and I might have to get a couple of those. But I thought I'd show you what they have first. Well, I decide, what I want to add to my collection. And I really like to use these for decorating. Look at this pretty violet here with the ruffled leaves. Isn't that stunning? Look at how that stands out on the camera. Just really, really pretty. Let's go over here. Houseplants and more violets and more Kalinkois. We have some of the wandering dudes down here. These were great. They're on for $19.98. And they were great for window boxes outside and planters. So just wanted to mention that. They have some cactus here for $4.98 if you're into succulents. Some peace lilies for $6.98. And then we have the tropicals here. Your pothos, these are pothos and golden pothos. We have a goldfish plant at the back. You can see it's got a few little fishies on it in the blooms. And then we have here, and I haven't seen this plant for a long time, which I love. And look at it's in bloom. And this is, and I'm losing my touch on this one. They just call it a tropical sorted, but I think this is a form of a wax plant. I'll look it up and add it in here. I used to have one of these in a pink. I had it for years when we lived in Moose Jaw when I was much younger. And I loved it. And it did bloom. So, but not the dark like that. I prefer the pink. Just personal preference. All right, houseplants. More tropical houseplants. Man, if they went up in price. $34.98 for a lot of the tropicals here. Your snake plants, your rubber plants. Really like this color of the rubber plant. Really pretty. If you don't like this tone, which is more of a salmon pink than a pink, then you might want to go with the darker color. And they're showing signs of blooming, but they're $34.98. Over here we have more of the pothos, the satin ones, which have the silvery green tone to them. We have more peace lilies here, philodendrons. Oh, the Swiss cheese plant, which are kind of cool. It always reminds me of a bug eating through the leaves. Split leaf philodendrons, palms, little palms, if you like palms. And then we have yellow butterfly palms. They're going to have a little bit more of a yellow tone to the leaves, you can see here. And then we're getting into the rubber plants here, a smaller version, more of a speckled. And just a nice variety. Pricing here is $17.98 on this entire rack. Here is a philodendron here. You can see the colors. And this is a palm-like philodendron. I like the leaves on this one in particular. Very nice. So these are all new in, because I was here a week ago and they didn't have these. Now this is their usual area where they have the house plants over here, but I do notice some racks of some new plants too. So we'll go through these as well. Some more kalinkois, a lot of reds in here, more of the Christmas colors. We're talking bonsais here, $29.98 for a bonsai. And then $12.98 here for this holiday centerpieces. You can see them. These bonsai are quite cute, little dwarf jade plants. I should do a video on the jade plants because a lot of people kill them, and I mean there's some tips and tricks to keeping them going. We'll go down this side. They still have the holiday cactuses or Christmas cactus in the 4-inch. I'll show you the tag. Fluorescent lights make it hard to show the tags. Lots of pinks left. You could go through them and they look pretty decent. I mean, they've got water spots on them, so it's been definitely overhead watering, and I've seen how they water these plants. They actually bring out a hose with a nozzle on it and they just go hard watering. So I mean, that explains the water spots. And Regina's water isn't so great. Over here, this is a new rack they have in, and we have tropicals here. Call this a white butterfly syngonium. I might have said that wrong. You see this? These are all $4.98. Some more of the variety of the wandering dudes. We have some spider plants in here, some strawberry begonias. Hold on, I'm going to pick up my purse. This is the rippled leaf peperonias, small goldfish plants, which is really cool. And these are really, really healthy. Look at the green and how beautiful the leaves are. They got a very waxy, colorful tone. Like I said, if you like a rubber plant, to me, that's the right size to start something and grow it in your home. It doesn't take much space. It doesn't take much space and it's gonna clean the air for $4.98. That's a good buy. Here's your philodendrons here. More peperonas. You can see them here. We have different kinds of variegation, different colors. So like for this one, this is just called a peperona species, but you kind of get the gist. Down here, we have more of the umbrella trees. I used to have one for years in Moose Jaw. And then here, we're gonna have the angel wing begonias. I like these. I like the color of the leaves. Maybe this isn't a good choice, but this one's better. It's actually gonna flower. And then we have the dragon trees. Oh, and look at all the poinsettias. Okay, so they have the European cypresses here. They are still soft, so that's good. So those are on for $5.50. The large poinsettias in the big containers, which is a great buy, are on for $12.49. These are massive. I'll just zoom out. Oh, it's looking kind of foggy in here when I zoomed out. You can see they are the large pots. And then over here on the other side, we have succulents, more of the peace lily, house plants, rubber plants. These ones all in this area do not have prices on them. I'm assuming because they're big pots, they're $34.98. And then up here we have the ferns. The Boston ferns are $19.98. Everything's got a 98 on the end of it. So you can kind of see that. I'm just gonna go down here. That's a nice snake plant. Looks pretty good. I'll just zoom out. Over here, we have more of the tropicals. I like these. These are great. I'll put the name in the comments. These are beautiful, these tropicals. And right now, they're just calling everything tropical. They're not even putting the actual names of them. Like here, you know, they're just calling it tropical. But you can see, you know, you got some fig leaves in here. Rubber plants. You have a real variety in here. I like the texture of these leaves. And see, they just call them a houseplant. They don't even give them the proper name anymore, which is really disappointing. But hey, at least they have selection. Yeah, it's the fluorescents that are giving me off a really weird glare in this video, so you have to forgive that. They do have their smaller containers on special here. So you might want to check your Home Depot if you're looking for clay pots. Some of them are on sale, some, like these are new. These are a new glaze. These are a dark brown. They're really nice. Look at the color on that. I always look for white pots for my home. I like white in the home. But they even have the green. This is taking me back to a 70s vibe with this green. We're into the soils now, and they have the bamboo, well, the metal sticks prop up your plants, but you can see we have African violet soil, so that's good because they got so many in. Tropical soils getting picked over. All their Miracle-Gro products, your gnat traps, stones, perlites, your sphagnum, peat moss, orchid food, and the list goes on and on there. These little pots, I don't know the price of them. They're extremely cute. Look at them. You could drill a couple holes in them for drainage, but definitely if you're doing a succulent garden or starting little plants, they might be handy. And you can see your poles for supporting your large houseplants. Over here, more tropicals. And they're working away here. You can hear the machines. I apologize for it, but that's what you get when you come to Home Depot. It's a busy place. And more houseplants here. So all in all, we have a really good selection of plants here. Well worth checking out if you're looking for houseplants. This is the time of year in a cold climate where we like to indulge our gardening spirit and grow some houseplants and just add some green to the house and improve our air quality by using some of these different plants that are great for that.